Đấy, anh.
Cười đi.
Hello, honey. Why are you so unhappy? Honey.
Đừng dọa người.
You don't love me, Cassie.
But Russell, I don't understand. I love you so much.
No, you don't. You're in love with my cousin.
Justin?
No, my other cousin.
Duncan?
Don't be funny. I'm talking about his brother.
You mean Hunter? That's not.
Hunter loves you too.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Russell, just one last month, I had lunch with Hunter. There's nothing you to be just about.
You think it's fun to be with, and I'm just that.
But honey, I like your comedy much better than Hunter's. I think you are wonderful.
You do?